Hello YouTube, what is up? Commando here with a video, obviously. As you can see, as promised, a little longer than expected, but this is Tae Takemi, not to be confused with An Takamaki, which I kept calling her Takemi in the last video for some reason. I had confidants on the mind, okay? I have confidence that this figure is gonna be hot as fuck, so be ready for that. So yeah, without wasting you guys' valuable time, hope you guys had a happy quarantine. Hope nobody got sick or anything. Good times. Yeah, all right, here we go. Front of the box, right of the box, back of the box, boom, left of the box, back to the front and the top. There we go. Let's just get her on out of here. Boom. This is from Amakuni, Hobby Japan, exclusive. Wasn't too exclusive. This I actually got from Ami. I originally pre-ordered it on Nippon Yasan, which I typically do for a lot of my exclusive quote-unquote figures from Native and Hobby Japan and Alter and stuff like that. Alter Hobby Japan combination exclusives. But this time she came available for pre-order on Ami, so I canceled my Nippon Yasan order and I reordered it on Ami, and I paid a little less. So, yeah. Boom. Nice and easy opening there. Pull the blister pack out. Boom. There you have it. Lucky you guys. I haven't even seen it yet myself. So let me get a better... Oh my god. So... Tae is one of my favorite characters from Persona 5. I haven't completely played the game. I'm actually still going through Persona 4 Golden on my Vita. Boom. But Persona 4 Golden is apparently coming out on Steam soon, or PC. Probably on Steam. So that's cool. But all my encounters with her have been hilarious. She's a really shady doctor. She just kind of works out of her own little clinic, and she just prescribes a bunch of medications to teenagers who may or may not need it for the right price. She's a bit sketchy that way, but I'm sure she's qualified medically to, whatever, solve all your problems that you may have, including loneliness. Because she's hot as fuck. Alright, let's see. Boom. This is instructions. So basically her clipboard, and then she comes with an alternate Labcoat looking style. But I'm going to get her out of here, get her all set up on her base, and then we'll get right back to you with the complete overview, look around, and show you that sweet, sweet cross-legged booty thing. Here we go. Help, I'm unarmed. Yeah. Out of her packaging on her base, which is a nice little computer chair. I put on the lab coat. Basically her arms just pop off, and then her lab coat just kind of goes over her empty shoulders, and then they have arms attached to them, and the lab coat's pretty flexible, so you can kind of wrap it around her and then kind of push her in there. But hot damn, this is a fucking awesome figure. Alright, so there she is, front, right? I don't know if her foot's supposed to be like actually touching the ground, but she sits in her chair very well. The right of the figure the back of the figure. And then back to the front. Yeah, so there she is in all her glory. Tae Takemi. It's Takemi, right? Yes, okay. Takamaki Takemi. Japanese names. Maybe I'll learn Japanese one day, and then I'll be able to understand it all. And my voice just cracked. Because I'm a teenager, apparently. So yeah, there you have it. Fantastic quality, right up there with the On Panther that you guys saw before. If you haven't, check it out on my channel. Pretty sick looking figure, but there's a little bit of an imperfection on her hair here. A little bit of flash, or it might just be glue. I don't want to scrape it off too actively. It looks like some kind of glue residue. Not too noticeable. I'll probably be able to get it off. But yeah, there she is. The original Persona 5 Goth GF. She's got everything you need. The crazy high platform heels. What are those about? She's supposed to be a doctor here, and here she is looking like a dominatrix. Yeah, you know, capsule around her neck. You might find out what that is later in the game. I don't know what it is. It could be heroin. This chick is sketchy as fuck. Who knows? But there you guys have it. Leave a comment if you liked it. Leave a dislike if you disliked it. Like it if you liked it. Hit me in the face. Follow the following, because guess what? Road review of this figure, different angles, coming up right now to some lo-fi chill beats. Boom, boom. Royalty free. Da-da. Boom. Peace, y'all. Love ya. Ow!